Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here and this is your first time coming across this channel, kindly consider clicking the subscribe button and become a member of this beautiful family. And you can also turn on the notification bell and you can be amongst the people to be notified each time I upload a video on my YouTube. My name is Annabrinda Charles, and on this channel I teach, or rather show you how to do your makeup like a pro. To my returning viewers, always feel appreciated and thanks for always clicking on my videos. On today's video, we are going to do a different kind of makeup, and that is a simple creative makeup which is beginner friendly. And because my darlings, I don't want to bore you with my talkings, let's get straight into the video.